Judge Boyd wastes no time pointing out Miss Ferguson's chronic lateness, 90% of the time, by his count. Ferguson pushes back, claiming she wasn't told to be here, but the judge isn't buying it. Right away, we see tension between accountability and excuses.
All right, what date, Miss Ferguson?
Many months later.
All right, why are you always late for court? And I won't say always, 90% of the time.
The judge reminds her she was told to be back at 1:30, yet she chose to go to the restroom instead of returning to the courtroom. In this environment, every minute counts, and these delays can derail the entire day's schedule.
And I told you to be back at 1:30.
I was sitting outside and then I had to go to the restroom. I sat, she even saw me sitting there. She even saw me sitting there.
Why? My question is, why are you late for court?
Today I am late because I was not told.
All right, she's up for jury trial. All right. All right. You can take the cuffs off. You're going to jury trial.
The focus shifts to Laura Ashby's case. Her attorney seems professional but clearly frustrated. He's balancing a big hearing in another county and doesn't want this trial to waste his carefully booked time. It's a glimpse into the juggling act defense lawyers perform daily.
If we're going to go, that's fine.
All right. So come back at 1. Could everyone please whisper?
Just one consideration I was asking for from the court is that I have a written hearing scheduled in Hayes County this morning. It's like a really big deal. It's hard to get these dates. We've already been in jail for like a month longer than we should be trying to get this date. So if we weren't going to go at 1:30, it'd be really greatly appreciated if I could head up there to take care of that situation.
The judge notices something small but telling Ashby chewing gum. To her, this isn't just about manners, it's about showing respect to the process. In court, even tiny signs of disrespect can stick in a judge's mind.
She's on bond.
Okay, well, she's on bond, and I don't know why she's before me chewing gum and with attitude. And that attitude is directed towards you. So why are you chewing, just one second, why are you chewing gum in court?
I'm sorry.
All right. So here's the thing, what you must understand. Look at me.
The judge lays it out. Unless you're paying hundreds of thousands of dollars, your lawyer will have other clients. This blunt reality is often overlooked by defendants who expect undivided attention.
The only way you can be assured that you are an attorney's only client is if you're paying them enough money so they can live off of your case. If you're paying him $500,000, I'm sure you could be his only client. But he has other clients, and he has a client that's in Hayes County. Do you understand?
The judge reminds Ashby her case isn't number one on the docket. There's a murder trial ahead of her. Severity, not convenience, dictates priority. A clear message that the legal system works on its own timetable.
You ain't upset with him. And actually, the first case on the docket is a murder case. Your case is not number one on the docket. Now, if the murder case takes care of itself, it may, then you will be there. Do you understand?
Yes.
So there's no reason to be angry with him or upset with him because you want your case to go today. If you wanted your case today, we could have went on May 22nd when your attorney was getting discovery. So, counsel, this is what I'll do. I will recall your case for tomorrow because if the other case does not go, then your case, this should be a simple trial because it's a drug case.
Yes, Your Honor.
So I think if we were to pick a jury trial in the morning on Wednesday, then this would be done.
If the murder trial doesn't proceed, Ashby's case can start the very next day. The judge offers flexibility, but also makes it clear that no amount of frustration will speed things up.
Form for tomorrow at 9 a.m. on Laura Ashby. And counsel, once she signed the reset form, you're all excused. Good luck on your writ. And
Many months later.
yes.
The judge addresses another issue, clients claiming they can't reach their lawyers. She ensures phone numbers are exchanged right then and there, removing any excuse for future miscommunication.
Yes.
The trial date is set for August 21st. It's the end of a long sequence of back and forth adjustments that required patience, respect, and clarity from everyone involved.
So your client said that they hadn't had contact with you, but they're saying the reason why is because, I don't know, there was a holiday or some reason, he said.
Okay.
So he didn't blame you for anything.
Okay.
But whenever people show up, even though we don't have pre-indicted cases, whenever people show up and say, I don't know who my attorney is, or I haven't had contact with my attorney, I always have the attorney come over to make sure that they have contact and everybody has good numbers.
I've made contact with them, Judge.
Okay, so it's a night mag case, so it doesn't have to be reset unless you want it on the docket.
No.
Okay.
Thanks, Judge.
Sure, you're welcome.
As the court moves on to the next case, the underlying lesson is clear punctuality, communication, and respect can shape your entire courtroom experience.
Intent 4 to 200 grams.
Yes. Yes. So, yeah, Judge, we have.
Oh, you guys switched impact, I think, with family violence.
Taking it, but I mean, we could take it over there if that case doesn't go, Judge.
Okay, all right.
That's
So
the 21st
first.
of August.
Can I
All right.
check that really, really quickly?